Critical thinking, the assignment each week will have two parts. And the first part is to read the text and then discuss with other people, with your parents, and define a case of this. And so our first one is appeal to hypocrisy. That's where you're saying, so for example, your grandpa says you should never smoke, and it turns out that your grandpa smokes. Well, does that mean it's bad advice? Well, the appeal to hypocrisy says, how can you make that argument? You do it yourself. That doesn't mean that it's a good idea, just because the person telling you not to do it does it himself. And so let's see if we can think of another example. And so if we go to here, so we write out, so you write out on a piece of paper, you say, okay, here's my lesson one, appeal to hypocrisy, and here's my example. You can say, your parents tell you that you should make your bed every morning after you get up. They tell you that this habit will build discipline. In fact, they themselves never make their bed, but they just keep the door closed so that you can't tell that they are being hypocrites. Okay, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't get up. Maybe it is a good habit. Get up and make your bed. Okay, so that would be my example of appeal to hypocrisy. Okay, so then I take this, either take a picture of it if I'd written it out, or I could paste it in, but I'm going to submit this into Google Classroom.